Hello, creepy cuties. I had a really good mail day. I thought we could do a little unboxing tour of this beautiful collection. I got my little greasy paws on it from Black Moon Cosmetics and Courtney Quarantine. I've loved Black Moon Cosmetics for a long time. They're a beautiful alt, cruelty-free, vegan, friendly makeup company who I feel like is values aligned. And you guys have heard me yap about Courtney Quarantine before. I love them so much. They are an amazing artist, gamer, streamer, content creator who's also very values aligned, queer community member, and has done a lot of really cool collections, and I'm excited that I got my hands on this. So first off, look at this packaging. The detail is incredible. I always feel like Black Moon's packaging is cute, so expected nothing less. Gorgina. And this is a Vault collection. It's a lip collection. So there are 2 liquid matte shades and then a satin lipstick. So it's got that cute little moon. Oh, the little thank you for being here. That's something that they say all the time, and it's very sweet, and the freaking feral community is chef's kiss. This packaging is so lush. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep this packaging forever. She is a collector's item. So the liquid matte lippies, this one is Bones. This one is Ashes. I'm so excited to try all of these funky, goth, cool toned shades. But I'm really excited to play with them mixed together because I feel like Courtney is like the king of customized lippies, and just like playing with just playing with creating new shades and ombre effects, and I'm really excited to do that with this King of Werewolf, I believe is the name of the satin lip. Oh, that sound was everything. This is so cute. I just give you guys a nice view of this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's get into some swatches. Holy frick. This is about to be my new favorite lipstick. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, Courtney? I really want to cry. Sorry. Oh. Oh. It's like gray, lavender. Oh, I don't know. It's giving corpse in the cutest way. Last but certainly not least, oh, she's so cute. You guys. Of course, these swatches don't show exactly how they'll wear on the lips, so I will be giving swatches via lippies as well. I can't wait to play more and blend these. Oh my gosh. Right, so maybe not the most purest of swatches, but I wanted to show you. I decided I wanted to play with them together. So I put both Bones and Ashes on together, both wet, so I could do a little blendy. So this is what they look like together. I have Ashes on the outer corners and Bones on the inside, I believe. They look sickening together. This is maybe like 50% of the way dried down. I'm in love. I will show you what the Werewolf Satin Lippie looks like on me as well. You with cleansed lips and chapstick, and I thought I would just apply this one on camera. I regret not doing the other ones because I was gasping the whole time. And the swatch, I didn't take the time to put a liner on. my God. It's giving 90s hottie, which is like all I ever want. It's all I ever want to give. Pretty good application, you guys, for using a mirror very far away from me. This finish feels so good. And holy frick, this is my new favorite lipstick. I kid you not. Thank you for Werewolf from the bottom of my little goth heart. Very much worth your money, your support. I'm so excited to play with these. I'm excited to see everybody else's combinations. And just, oh my God,